SUPERBIKES, but I suspect that will be back to the national.
I just wanted to come down back around there and see what it is last week.
Fantastic, so what you can get is after all starts in the breeze, the big seconded by DB is one of the the live broadcast. I'm going to live on the Eurosport, by the way, boys, so I'm pretty sure that is going to be absolutely fantastic. Hopefully all is okay with Callum. I think he just took a little bit of a beating down there, but not the thing that you want to be doing. And also, not sure whether you're aware that Scott Laurie and James Dean also had a problem. They actually retired in the second to last lap, so as a result, that's the reason that Roger is the champion. So they've got down the order. So that's a good point to Tim Reed, basically. Well, he did score effectively 4 points, isn't it, given that it's double points for so when it's all the right
you know, don't sort of leave your bike stood over the winter and just jump on the bike and go and ride it. You know, you really haven't got to check your tyre pressure for anything.
Is there anything we should be doing for those who perhaps put their bike away for the winter? Is there anything we should be doing to store it better?
Yeah, I mean, the idea, again, sort of check the tyre pressures while the bike's in storage, because it's going to be sort of sat on those points of the tyre protection. So, move the bike around, make sure the tyres are inflated. If you can, lift the bike off the ground, if you've got paddock stands, that kind of thing, that's a good idea.
Good stuff. And on the
grid, Carl Harris down here in the old sub of roll 2, then give yourself a reasonable chance here, Carl. Head down, backside of Carl, that's what they're saying, your neck of the woods. Going back a further on the grid, the second on the Millbench BMWs. And again, this is a story, this is a rider that came to the rescue of the team at Knockhill. And Peter Hickman down here. Well, it's not too bad getting through to Q3, but perhaps you would have liked to have been on the first two rows. Yeah, I was aiming for the front two rows, and it didn't quite happen, Harris had something to say about that, but no, I think, to be quite honest, I've been struggling to pull one lap out really, but I think race pace wise, not too bad and quite comfortable, so we just have to wait and see. Hopefully I can get on the line this time. Yeah, well, we just made the mention there that still looking for BMW's first one. Yeah, it's been a little bit of a season of two halves. Tommy Gladwell is back on roll 4 of the grid. We'll just grab a quick word with one or two of the other riders, as Tommy just has a word with old Ginger upstairs, and that Marcus is just making sure that all is okay with that one. Tommy, 18 laps ahead of you, mate. Hopefully you can get through to the end and just give yourself a reasonable result. I'll see that. Yeah, let's give it a fun of that. It's the ILA, what we've got to do now, do what we did the other day, just have a bit of fun, and just alright. I think they can excuse it now, we've got a job to do, and I just enjoy the fact that anyone else,
Alex Lowe, Shane Bird, James Westman and Barry Burrow. Not entirely expected to see those in Birdie there, but what about Westman and Burrow?
Yeah, that's great to see Barry Burrow up there. Definitely found some space this weekend on the field day BMW. Doing a great job, and as it came out as well at night, and have Peter Hickman, so that's definitely found something this weekend.
You raced a BMW before racing BMW in the Super Stockholm first. Now, Barry Burrow said to me last evening, he said, my problem is, I get on the front row grid, I cannot get that bike to go. I just box out, I just cannot get the start. I would destroy any chance I've made in qualifying by just not getting away from the start. So watching on that one. A quick comment from you before they go out on their side of that.
Yeah, no, there you go. The BMW seems to have some sort of result there. We put enough much to budget, I'm not quite sure what it is, but it was too much already. That's exactly right. So my prediction is Alex Lowe's going to take the whole shot and try and get away. He has a very, very good race pace that we've seen that in qualifying in 5 laps for the last up to Q3, so definitely has the pace to do what it takes to win this race.
But Brooksy on the second row, Brooksy knows the word that he's got to go on this one, and that is from the word go, 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 from that red light 32 inches, and Brooksy will want to go through on the inside before we go. That's going to wait for Schindler to make his way back up on the grid, and then he is the last rider back, coming up on the front row. Not one last rider, that is Laurie Harker, running underneath number 41, but he's way back on the pecking order, just flexing his arms, flexing his legs down there, is Alex Lowe. Good luck boys on this one, and may the best man win in this championship as we go into the first of the 3 races here for the MC George British 2 5 British back to one side, and